slowly inhale, both hand up, bend your left knee and left hand back inside your left leg, right hand back, interlock your finger and look up. Inhale, lift your hip up, straight your left leg. Exhale, bend your left knee and hip down. Inhale, lift your hip up, straight your left leg. Exhale, hip down, look up and continue 5 or 10 times. Same. Inhale up, exhale down. Hip opening exercise. Come up, last time. Straight your left leg and hold 5 count. Roll your right shoulder up and look up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, slowly bend your left knee, both hand up, look up, neck back straight, and slowly left hand down, right hand catch your left ankle, your left feet, and slowly lift your left leg up and look up. Hold 1, 2, 3. Ardha Vishwamitrasana.